Hi guys, my name is MUA and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a fun little challenge I saw going around on TikTok where MUAs let random numbers pick their eyeshadows and created an entire look with it. I do not know who created this challenge, so let me know in the comments down below. But I do know Nikki Tutorials made a video about it. But all of these MUAs that did this only used one palette, so I thought, let's switch this up and use 15 palettes instead. Okay, so here's how this is going to work. I have an entire stack of palettes in front of me and I'm gonna let Google pick 5 numbers. The top palette is the Jackie Aina palette and this is going to be shade 1 through 14. And then underneath there is the Riviera palette and this is going to be shade 15 through 28 and so on. So without further ado, let's pick some numbers. Okay, so I have my random number generator right in front of me and I'll put it here on the screen. So let's pick our first number. The first number we got is 84. Oh my god, so the first shade we got is Noir from the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, which is a black. Okay, so let's pick our second number, which is 15. Okay, so the second color is Supreme from the Jackie Aina palette, which looks really nice. I'm actually really excited to dip into this. Let's pick our third color, which is going to be number 306. Okay, so number 306 is going to be Coma from the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, which is a dark purple type shade. Okay, so let's pick our fourth color, which is going to be number 143. And number 143 is going to be Snack from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette. And our fifth color is going to be number 305. And number 305 is also from the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, and this will be the shade Extraction, which is a darkish red burgundy type shade. Okay, so I did get pretty lucky because all these shades are kind of pink slash purplish, except for Extraction, which is a bit more reddy tone, but I think I totally can work it in, maybe on the lower lash line or something. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I primed my eye using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer, and first I'm going in using the shade Coma from the Blood Sugar palette. And to blend that out, I'm going to use the shade Supreme from the Anastasia x Jackie Aina palette. And to deepen up the outer corner, I'm going to go in with the shade Noir from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. And now I'm going to cut my crease using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. And now I'm packing the shade Snack from the Jawbreaker palette all over the lid. And then I'm using Coma and Supreme to blend together the outer corner and the lid. Okay, so the only shadow I have left is the shade Extraction from the Blood Sugar palette, so I'm putting that on the lower lash line. And then smoking that out a little more using Supreme. Okay, so I added some lashes and liner and that completes the look for today's video. I really hope you guys liked how it came out, because I kinda do, but then again I got really lucky with the colors. If you'd like this video, please like it down below and subscribe to my channel while you're at it if you'd like to see more from me. You can also follow me on Instagram. My usernames are on the screen and also in the description box down below. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!